What's good, fam? Appreciate y'all taking the time to tap back into the channel. Wanted to start this video off by just saying thank you for all the kind comments regarding my eye situation in the last video. We're doing good, we're feeling better. The contacts are at least in my eyeball so I can see now. And I'll tell you what, vision is a crazy blessing, like insane blessing. Because my blind people know, like myself, without these contacts, without these glasses, our life goes real quick. Especially in my case, because I only got one good eye. But never mind that, I'm gonna take you back here into the HQ because we got some stuff cooking up and it's looking pretty official, not gonna lie. But just taking a peek, we got this whole area converted into my quote-unquote workshop. 250 shirts sitting here on the table, which, if you're watching this video, you still have time. A lot of these are sold. They're going like hotcakes, so if you wanted to grab your 003 shirt, I highly suggest doing that because I got a feeling they're gonna be gone probably within the next week. On this table right here, we have our brand new 1 custom catback active exhaust, and this thing is going on the Mach 1 very soon. But you might be wondering why I have it sitting here and not on the car right now. And that's because we are currently doing a giveaway to where you have the opportunity to win your very own 1 custom catback active exhaust for your Mustang. The winner of this exhaust will be able to customize their exhaust tips. The winner will be able to have whatever they want engraved onto their muffler, giving it that personal touch. You're gonna be able to choose between an X pipe or an H pipe, and as you can see, I went X pipe. And the best part about this exhaust is it is controlled by compressor-driven actuators instead of those junk OEM electronic ones that always tend to spaz out as time goes on. And right now, you have an opportunity to enter and win your very own custom catback exhaust. Go into dbpsquad.shop because for every $1 spent, you're not only just getting one entry, but we are running double entries right now on the website. So head to the website and grab yourself a 003 Lucifer and Maverick Staying Squad t-shirt. These things came out amazing. But most importantly, this thing right here, this hoodie that I am actually currently wearing, I have fallen in love with. And we also have our DBP Squad jet tags that, you know, your Mustang keys are just begging for. So go peep the website, guys, and take advantage of those double entries. And who knows, you might buy a simple t-shirt just like the rest of the squad, and you might be getting the call to come customize your 1 custom catback active exhaust for your Mustang, or $1,500 in straight cash. First thing I gotta take care of is this situation right here, because it took like 2 boxes to fit 250 shirts and 10 boxes to fit 200 hoodies, and it's a mess. So Benjamin is on his way. I think we're gonna hit Walmart and look for those like perfect container totes with the lids. I'll probably buy like 12 of those. This way, you know, you can stack them, they look better, and I can draw on them. That should help me out stay organized and get this merch processing a lot smoother, because you might not know, but I do all this myself out of here. What the hell is even that? Brother! What's up, brother? Hopefully Walmart has what we need. We have these totes. I don't think this one's gonna be, maybe a little bit bigger than that. Damn, bro. Is this a trash can? Nope. Okay, hold on. We're getting close here. These the same?
Yo, is that DBP blue down there?
Oh, wait, hold on. These might be a contender.
Ooh.
Oh, these are actually kind of perfect. Yes, sirski. All right, let's grab 400. Damn, they might not have enough.
How many do you need?
24? I'm just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's 11.
Watch there be only 10 lids. I'm gonna lose my lid. Mother of God. Ooh. These are kind of nice too. I kind of like the black ones though. They're kind of clean, right? Are these $18 a piece? Dang,
yeah.
Fucking shot. 15? Why is there somebody's clothes in here? Dude, Freddy Krueger was here.
Work here?
Yeah, no. I'm too broke for this. Y'all need to buy some merch. $240 later, we have 12 containers just for plastic.
Like an ice scraper.
Ben just dropped freaking Pro V1s all over the parking lot. Dude, what is going on now? There's so much shit happening.
Oh, you got golf balls in your hand.
Dude, Ben just dropped Pro V1 golf balls all over the parking lot. They went everywhere. $240 of plastic later, about 40 minutes later, and the help of these two gentlemen, it looks so much better. We got the bins all labeled, all stacked up with merchandise. Fellas, appreciate that. Appreciate your help.
Like you know what
Huge
you're
help.
doing now.
Look at that.
Now it's official.
Oh my God. If it isn't Minion 5-0.
Oh, hell no.
What the hell you doing in there, buddy? Still haven't given the car to Brandon yet, huh?
I'm not gonna happen. It's finally left the garage for the first time in 3 weeks.
He's been keeping tabs. Oh, look at you. You got the Wasp hoodie on and everything. You ain't playing games.
You ever seen this before?
Yeah, I haven't seen that in
I haven't seen that in a long
years.
time.
Got Wasp here. Haven't seen this car in quite a few weeks. Yellow turds, you know, in my area. I don't know what's going on. Hey, we got a fair warning going out here. Watch out for eggs. Watch out for U-holes.
I see. Now we went over to Penske.
Yeah, Penske's in here. Look at it. It looks just like y'all. You still liking it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When you getting rid of it?
I'll get rid of him first.
Huh?
Push! Dude, if he's. Oh my god. I know.
Oh my God. While we're on our way to grab some E85, I need some help, man. I need some suggestions. I need some advice. Like, as during this winter time, I just don't know what to do. It gets dark at 5. It's like 4:30. Sun's already setting, and it's cold. I just have no idea what kind of content you guys want to see. So if there's anything new you want me to switch up, it could be damn near anything. Honestly, just give me some suggestions. It could be car related. You know, I'm gonna do some traveling and stuff, go down south, probably hit Florida here in a little bit. But yeah, we got some big things coming, like buying a house and just a lot on our plate right now. So definitely miss getting a lot of content out to you guys though. So spring can't come quick enough, that's for sure. I've been driving this car in like a week and a half, so that feels pretty good. Let's see what these yellow turds are up to. Hey, word on the street is Brandon actually gapped Jake's Dark Horse. I don't know if it's true or not, but they might have to run it back. And then the C7 is gonna come out and gap both of them. This car I think next to me probably wants it. Oh my God, smack my grandma, holy fuck, that thing's ugly.
Oh,
is he running radar?
He might be, I don't know.
What is homie doing? Oh, baby Jesus, we ain't running this. Oh, dude, zoom in on him. We got a cop sitting in the median right there.
He's right there.
Yup.
He lurking.
9 out of 10 times, if we drive past him, there's a good chance Brandon's getting pulled over. What I'm thinking, we'll take the long way home and drive past him. Brandon gets put back in handcuffs. His little ass, oh, let me go! They pick him up from the armpits. Cop's like, damn, boy, his barrel's growing, man.
You're heavier than last time.
Hey, this mugshot looks a little different. Kind of wish I could have gotten mine, but you know, maybe in another lifetime or another year, when these come down on prices and I'm bored, I might snag one. Oh my God, look at that shot right now. Joel did a really good job modding this thing out, and I think he just told me that he has long tube headers at home, so it is getting Cook's 1 7/8 high flow green catted headers. I'm filming here. So what happened? You got gapped by Dad on the way here. I didn't get gapped. Dude, everybody saw you get gapped.
Oh, we didn't hit the gas. I didn't even hit the gas pedal.
Oh, really? It sounded like you did. What if he actually gapped you though? What are you gonna do?
If I beat the dark horse for as bad as I did, the Corvette should make it light work.
Oh!
I barely beat the Corvette.
This is true. And the Vet upshifted. I want to rerun you in the Vet. Can we do it? Can we lock it in?
Do it at some point.
All right, bet. Vet versus Brandon, then Vet versus Dark Horse. I think the Vet's going to give you a better run now that I know, like, I can't do no weirdness like the 10R80s where you slap it up in the drive. I know Joel was also talking about potentially whippling this in the future, which would be absolutely incredible. Oh, thank you, thank you. Very considerate. Turn the lights on as I'm filming. They already knew. But a Whipple on this thing, and he wants to do the lid like color match, doesn't he?
Yeah, yellow lid.
That would be sick. And then you have the Peasant S550 over here. T-Wops. What does T-Wops mean? What does it mean?
It's not. It said LT wraps.
Oh my god.
Damn!
Bro. I think I should get Brandon on the way home. I'm gonna pull up next to Brandon. I'm gonna go, on 3, 1, boom, and go. Hey! Watch this. Put your window down. On 3, 1! Gapped!
You saw it. You saw it.
I promise you, when he passed seeing the camera, he's pissed. Did you hear his car burp? He's like, we're gonna see if he's a sucker. We're gonna try it again. Is Connor a sucker? We are gonna find out here, folks. Here we go. Hey! Hey! Put your window down! On 3! 1! He was in 3rd gear, that bastard. I only went to 4. Oh my god, look at that cloud, bro. Underneath this bridge, look at this cloud. Damn. That shit's wild looking. I think I just witnessed heaven and hell collide. We just got done gapping Brandon. We're gonna go to our very own personal DVP headquarters racetrack and we're gonna get a good lap in. Go, you slow ass! Tell me that isn't perfect,
dude. That is dialed.
It's fun as shit. Now that our lap is over, let's go get Brandon and ask him why I got gapped. What happened?
I beat you. You want to have an expo mark?
The first race, what? You were like 5 bus Amtraks away.
I was in 5th gear.
No,
You just
you
took
weren't.
off. Yes, I was.
You didn't go on 3. I said on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I literally couldn't hear you.
What gear were you in the second time?
3rd.
Cheater, I was in 4th. Disqualification. You're gone.
You fucking took off without me, so it's only fair. Go on 3. I didn't get a chance to even downshift.
Your reaction time's piss poor. Well, we got our laps in here at the DVP Speedway. If anybody wants to race, let me know. It's a $500 buy-in. Brandon's too scared. He didn't want to do it.
Give me a go-kart, though. That'd be fun to see.
Dude, go-karts here, no joke. This would be a legitimate perfect track.
E-bike, somebody might die.
Oh yeah, I almost died because there's loose gravel right there. But we got the cars out here. Ben's doing his thing for the first time in forever. This man hasn't pulled out a camera in, hell, well over a year easily. I'm just happy to get the cars out for once in quite some time. I haven't even driven Maverick in over a week and a half. Just goes to show how boring it gets here during the winter time, which is super unfortunate, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? All I know is Brandon got gapped.
I think you got gapped. That second one.
You cheated, bro. You were in 3rd gear.
You cheated on the first one.
No, I didn't.
You pulled a Jake.
I did pull a Jake. I did pull a Jake.
3 left. I'm sitting there fucking
fiddling your thumbs.
Yeah.
First one though, when you hit it in 5th and I heard your car like bog, I was crying.
I gave you the angry flyby. I didn't stop.
I was crying. I don't know really what we're gonna do from here. It's getting dark rapidly. Sucks. That's Stu for flinching, if you ask me.
Woo. That was next to my children.
Homie just took a screenshot. I think now where we go from here is call the cops on Brandon.
He's a pulling from a state trooper earlier.
Huh?
When we got off the highway, there was a state trooper in the middle, in the median.
That dude pull in front of him?
Yeah, getting off the highway.
Really?
He just sat there.
No.
Then he went to pull somebody else over.
Let's turn that off before take advantage of those double entries, and who knows, you might buy a simple t-shirt just like the rest of the squad, and you might be getting the call to come customize your 1 of 1 custom catback active exhaust for your Mustang, or $1,500 in straight cash.